Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we are at Disney's Copper Creek. Today we're going to take you on a tour of one of the cabins here at Copper Creek. These cabins are part of the Disney Vacation Club. However, you can book these with cash depending on their availability. So let's get on inside and take a look around at one. Alright, let's get on in here, and right away as you open the door you'll notice the kind of rustic American Northwest theming you get here with a lot of the wood decor. And as you step into the hallway and you take a right, you can see the first bedroom. It is looks like a queen size bed. It does have an extra sleeper here, so you can sleep 3 people in this room. You can see more of that decor there. There's a nice big screen TV. It has a sitting area there, and as you look you notice there's an end table on each side with lamps above it. Over here in the closet you'll see there's plenty of shelving, drawers you can pull out there for additional space. It doesn't have a dresser in here, so you'll have to use the closet for that kind of space. There's a full-length mirror there. And so let's take a look back out here in the hallway. We're going to step across the hall, and here is the master bedroom. As you look across the room, you see right away there's a door that leads onto the back porch directly from the bedroom. You see a nice sized TV, lots of desk space there. There's a full-length mirror, and let's go ahead and take a look in the bathroom. You'll notice 2 sinks, a marble countertop here, a long mirror, lots of H2O products for you. It's not a jetted tub again, but you do see nice high ceilings and a lot of the rock work there on the wall. Take a look at the shower. You'll notice it is very nice size. It has both the standard shower head and the waterfall shower. It has a place for you to sit, and it has H2 pump products on the wall there as well. You open this door here and you'll see that's where your toilet is. Alright, making our way out of the bathroom back into the master bedroom here, you'll see the barn style door that slides shut. It does have the full-length mirror there to separate the bathroom from the bedroom. And as we make our way across the room, like I said earlier, you see the nice long desk there, and we're going to open up this closet space they have here. One of the things I noticed right away is that they didn't have the robes in here like they do at the Polynesian bungalows. Overall, it's a pretty standard closet with shelf and hangers and a place to get your stuff out of the way and hang up anything you need hung. As we make our way to the door here, you'll see this is the back porch, and we're going to get to that in just a minute. That back porch is one of my favorite features about the cabins here. And of course that look out the window there gives you that wilderness feel with the nice tall trees and the moss. So as we make our way back out into the hallway here, we're going to cross it one more time and take a look in the hallway and open these doors here to see that you do indeed have a closet here. You'll notice it has a laundry hamper up top, has your ironing board, has your iron hanging there on the right, you have your safe on the left, more space to hang stuff, a place to put your luggage if you need to. And we'll shut those doors and take a look to the left of it. You'll notice this is just a half bath. It has your sink there and has your toilet. And it's no tub in this one, but has extra space there. And as we step back out, step across the hall, you'll notice open that closet door, and there's a washer and dryer there if you need to do your laundry. And then at the end of the hallway is the other bathroom. You'll notice it has a little more space in it. It has some shelving there for towels and such. You have all your toiletries over there in the corner. You have a makeup mirror. You have more towels underneath the counter there, underneath the sink. H2O products. More towels hanging, and then we'll open up the shower. There's no tub in here, just a standard shower, place to sit. You got your H2O pump products there. If you look up at the top, you'll see just a regular shower head and as well as a waterfall shower. So let's get on back out of here and get into some of my favorite parts of the cabin. And once you get out here, you'll notice right away the high ceiling with the exposed beams, the rock work on where the TV's at. It's just a great vibe here. And so we're going to show you the kitchen first. You'll notice right away you see that big refrigerator there. They also have a dishwasher, they have a sink, have a range, they have a microwave there. You can do pretty much all the cooking you need to here. They have plenty of dishes and cookware, things you may need to handle that stuff. They have a toaster right there. What else do they have? Just more storage stuff for maybe food, saucers, bowls, plates there to eat on. And then there's this island or bar out here in the middle. It provides places to sit on each end there. It's got those stools you can pull out. And I love the countertop there. As we turn around, you'll see there's a table big enough here to seat 8. And of course, a hidden Mickey made out of saucers and a plate there on the table. All right, let's head out to my favorite part of this cabin. And it is the porch, man. Right away, they screen this thing in so to protect you from the bugs and such. There is a spa here. These tubs are jetted and the water is heated, so it is a spa and not just a tub relying on natural heat. But like I said, the screened in, super nice. You have a wooden kind of bench table here to sit on if you wanted to come out here and be able to enjoy dinner without fighting the bugs and such. They have a rocking chair right here, and then check out this fireplace. This is actually a double-sided fireplace. So it's the same one you'd see from the inside of the cabin there. And of course, this is where you would walk directly out from the master bedroom if you were gonna come out here in the mornings, and hang out next to the fireplace, maybe enjoy a cup of coffee, and you're coming straight out of the bedroom to do so. Again, just to kind of give you another look out of the porch. If you look closely across the water in the distance there, you can actually see the Contemporary and Bay Lake Tower, just to kind of give you an idea of how close you are to the Magic Kingdom from here, as you can get there just with a boat ride from the Wilderness Lodge over to the Magic Kingdom. So we're just going to take a quick step right back in here to give you a view of the living area from outside. You'll see the kitchen and dining area on the left, and of course you see your couch, the fireplace, a chair, coffee table on the right. If you enjoyed this tour, please take a minute and check out our channel to see some of the other room tours we've done. If you like what you see, please take a moment and hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or comments, we'd love your feedback. Thanks and have a wonderful day.